Nice combination. Nice 1, 2, 3.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Welcome to Acholi Pro TV Sports Breakdown of Ojok Alfred UGA claims over Iran's Norani in 80K thriller at the 2025 Islamic Solidarity Games.
Its own style and own expertise.
Time for about 10 of the session.
As you fade away.
The 2025 Islamic Solidarity Games delivered one of its most thrilling boxing bouts yet, as Uganda's Ojok Alfred went head-to-head with Iran's Mohamed Norani in the 80K weight category. The three-round encounter showcased great precision and tactical brilliance from both fighters under the keen supervision of an international panel of judges and officials.
From Uganda, Alfred Ojok.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Judge 1 is from Egypt, Judge 2 is from Australia, Judge 3 from India, Judge 4 from Slovakia, Judge 5 from Italy, and the referee, Mr. Hector Nano from Puerto Rico.
As you fade away.
Ojok Alfred entered the ring full of confidence, representing Uganda with remarkable energy and focus. From the first bell, Alfred set the pace with sharp jabs and powerful hooks, keeping Norani on the defensive. His left hook to the chin landed precisely, momentarily shaking the Iranian and drawing applause from the crowd. Alfred's early aggression and clean punching made him look dominant in the first half of the round. Norani, however, began reading Alfred's movements, ducking and countering with clever body shots. The round ended tightly, but analysts leaned slightly toward Alfred for control and early accuracy.
And analyzed and solved the puzzle presented by Alfred. And Alfred kind of slowed down at the last 20 seconds. He did amazing work in the beginning of the round. Really tough to score, and I really don't know like how the referees is going to score it. I mean, it's easy for them to score. They're professional. They're like.
Iran's Norani came back with a strategic and measured approach. His coach shouted, "Hit him with a 3, a cue to launch 3-punch combinations that began landing effectively. Alfred's earlier intensity seems to fade as he slowed down, perhaps a result of expanding too much energy early on. Norani took advantage, pressuring Alfred with clean counters and tight defense. Despite Ojok Alfred's attempts to rally with uppercuts and side steps, Norani's composure gave him the edge in this round. By the end of the second, momentum had clearly shifted toward Iran, leaving Uganda's corner calling for a stronger finish.
Told him to be calm, work, just try to jump back and evade, dodge, deflect, and then we show him in the second round. Now that the second round is over, and clearly it was, for me, it was scored to the Iranian team. Mohammed made the most significant punches. Now, third round, very crucial.
Now maybe it's the chemistry, it's time to break up so I can make a better man.
With everything on the line, Alfred entered the final round with renewed focus. His corner shouted encouragement, "Give it your whole!" And he responded with a 4-punch combination that reignited the crowd. Norani, however, continued his methodical counter-punching, targeting Alfred's body with powerful hooks. Both fighters traded heavy shots in the last minute, each refusing to back down. Alfred showed exceptional ring intelligence, adjusting his defense and launching final flurries in the closing seconds. The crowd erupted as the final bell sounded. 3 intense rounds that could have gone either way.
Last 10 seconds, last combination, nice combination. Nice. Last 10 seconds. Come on, that was a tough left hand by Muhammad Hourani. Unanimous decision or a split.
And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my
After reviewing the score cards, the referee raised the Ugandan's hand. The winner by anonymous decision from the Republic of Uganda, Ojok, Alfred. The announcement sparks cheers from fans and fellow athletes, marking a proud moment for Uganda at the Games.
Decision.
The winner, by unanimous decision,
Unanimous decision.
the red corner from the Republic of Uganda,
Wow.
Alfred Ojok.
Alfred.
بإجماع القضاء يفوز لاعب الركن الأحمر ممثل.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say.
Alfred's early dominance and powerful combinations impressed the judges, helping secure his victory. Norani's tactical recovery in the second round showed world-class discipline, but Alfred's resilience and precision in the final moment proved decisive. The fight highlighted Uganda's growing strength in international boxing and Alfred's potential as one of the nation's brightest talents.
Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks.
Discipline versus aggression. Alfred's initial aggression and later composure gave him the winning balance. Global stage, African pride. A victory that shines a spotlight on Uganda's sporting excellence. Sportsmanship. Both fighters demonstrated mutual respect and professionalism throughout. Future outlook. Ojok Alfred's performance positions him as a serious contender for future continental and world titles. From Acholi Pro TV Sports Desk, celebrating Uganda's champions, one fight at a time.